Curing yourself by being healthy is the best way to live better and longer. This principle applies to cardiovascular health. How? Maintaining appropriate physical activity with age, a balanced diet with a moderate consumption of fats and sugars, avoiding being overweight, and controlling cholesterol, triglyceride, blood glucose, and blood pressure levels. You should also avoid risk factors, especially smoking and physical inactivity. That is to say, promoting a healthy lifestyle.
Central Park es el pulmón de Nueva York. Es el sitio donde la gente se esparce y sobre todo se practica mucho deporte de todos los tipos. Si hablamos de promover la salud, es Central Park.
Valentí Fuster is director of the CNIC, the Carlos III National Cardiovascular Research Center of Madrid. In New York, he directs the Institute of Cardiology at Mount Sinai Hospital. Educating health can save lives. The majority of people who have had a heart attack did not know they were sick until it hit. They are elderly patients who for years have avoided exercise, have smoked, or have maintained an unbalanced diet. Treating cardiovascular disease is extremely expensive, so promoting healthy habits from childhood in the long term will be a savings to the healthcare system.
Es importante ir a edades muy tempranas. Yo diría que de los 3 a los 5 años es tal vez la edad más importante porque el niño capta lo que le estás diciendo. Y si te transmitimos que la salud es una prioridad, cuando sean mayores tal vez lo recordarán y la conducta será diferente a la que hemos tenido nosotros.
Education reinforces the practice of good habits throughout life, habits that must be maintained even when we are older. We are increasingly living longer, and therefore we must continue exercising until the end. Being in good physical shape not only keeps our body, but also our mind healthy.
Pero lo importante es tener una buena salud cerebral y por lo cual sabemos ya con datos científicos que el practicar deporte a edades muy tempranas y ser persistente en ello es muy saludable para el cerebro. Por lo cual yo diría, edad más avanzada comienza pronto a hacer deporte.
Genetic research and new imaging techniques have helped us to better understand the pathology of the heart. Research, education, and prevention of disease are the keys to success, according to Dr. Valentí Fuster. More than a heart attack fighter, these keys are a strong advocate for the promotion of health.
Prevenir la enfermedad tiene un contexto negativo. Algo no anda bien. Creo que lo importante es promover la salud, que tiene un contexto mucho más positivo. Por lo cual, a partir de ahora, hablemos todos de promover la salud.